Welcome to Arts and Props with GL. I'm Gail.
I'm Juba.
And we're here to create glitter ornaments. Let's go over the materials we need for this project. You need something like a piece of foam that you can stick some bamboo skewers in. And we have two of them in here, so that way we can have our glass ornaments on top of here. And it lets the wax drip out of here, and we'll explain what that is in a minute. And you also need your glitter. The color we're using is coral. Of course, we have our bamboo skewers, a couple of funnels. This might be optional depending on how you're going to pour your glitter in and stuff later on. Gloves are optional, and this is the part we really want to point out. It's called Polycrylic, and it says Minwax, and we're using the clear gloss. The gloss is really important, otherwise it's going to mute the colors of your glitter. And we stirred it up already, and we poured it into a plastic container. It pours in very easily. We used a funnel to pour it in. And if you don't have that, you could also use a dropper or a syringe of some sort. We got these at Hobby Lobby. They're iridescent globes. They're 2 5/8 inches big. The iridescence will add another little bit of coastal look too, and it kind of reminds me of water, so I thought this would be a good thing to use, don't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
And we're here to have fun, so our little ones are here too. So anyway, all we're going to do is, you mix this up, pour it into here, and then we're going to open it up, just pour a little bit on the side. You want more, quite a bit to make sure it coats, so you don't want to be frugal here. You're going to pour it back into the can anyway, so you're not going to be wasting anything.
Nothing is wasted.
And all you're going to do is just kind of turn it and make sure it gets an even coat. And we're just going to keep going back and forth here, and you want to make sure to get the neck too. And if you're doing this with kids, make sure that there's no open spaces inside. And this has a really nice coat, so once you add the glitter, it will take more glitter. However, you'll get a really nice professional looking coat once we get there. And this is so much fun, and it's so easy, isn't it?
Yes, it's so pretty.
Yeah. I'm going to open this back up so I can start to drip some out here. And once you're done with this part, you're going to place it on the bamboo skewers. We also have plastic underneath it just in case it runs off of the foam. Just something else to think about. Yeah. And we also have plastic to protect our area. I forgot to mention that too. And just shake it out a little bit. We're going to place it over here. You want to allow this to dry for about 20 to 25 minutes. Not dry, but you want it to let it run out. And then we'll start to add the glitter. So there is some downtime, so if you want to grab a cup of cocoa or get a little snack with your kiddos and stuff like that, that's great. Or if you're doing this by yourself, maybe you can get a beverage of your choice.
Right. Very good.
Look who's here now. Okay, you're going to join us for the next video?
Don't eat my lipstick.
You're our mascot. Yes, you're our mascot.
Coming.
It's been about 30 minutes. I did say 20 to 25. It could be 30 minutes also. And now we're ready to add the glitter. To add the glitter, what we're going to do is take a little funnel. We're going to place it inside the neck of the ornament. And we're just going to pour a considerable amount in again, just to make sure we have enough there. And we're going to allow it to coat the inside of the ornament. Just go back and forth and swirl it like we did before. And we're just gonna go back and forth like this and see if we can get the neck there a little bit. And that is our coating. It's still very beautiful, and it also looks great with the iridescent ornament.
Very pretty.
We'll place this on here and go to the next one. We wanted something a little bit more simple and elegant because we want the focus to be on our alcohol ink ornaments that we make next week. Hi, there's Josie. Josie's here. This is what the iridescent glitter coral ornament looks like. This will be for our minimalist tree. The ornaments will be separated more. We just wanted you to be able to see this. And these are our frosted glass next to the iridescent. And we will have a lot more of the turquoise on there since the coral is so dominant. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.